Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. I'm Danielle and I will show you this 2019 Toyota Corolla LE with lots of features. This Corolla has pre-collision alerts, reverse camera, as well as a steel spare tire. Let's go ahead and check out the inside and I can show you the center screen and everything like that. First, you're greeted with your steering wheel and the options around that. And then you can go up onto the instrumental panel. At first, you can't see how many miles the car has, but you can go ahead and press this trip button, and you can go ahead and go through and see that you have 50,000 miles. With this button, you can adjust and set trips for how far you go, things like that. Over to the right is your center screen and stereo controls. So with this, you can know all about the car. You can see the time, things like that. You can also update, clear information, everything that you would ever need to do. You can go ahead and go into setup and you can know things about the vehicle, audio, your phone, anything like that. A funky and added setting is you can actually adjust the color, the theme color that you use. Then after all the settings, you can go ahead and go to audio and you can see that you have your regular FM, AM radio, as well as Bluetooth audio and your aux. So you can easily adjust the volume and tune with the right and left hand knobs, as well as adjust it with the seek buttons. Easy and simple to use. When you put the Corolla in reverse, you do have a backup camera with parking assist, so you can go ahead and park safely and things like that. Under your center screen is your climate controls, which you adjust with the levers going up and down for your temperature, airflow, and where the airflow comes from. You have other adjustments on the side for buttons, which you get the airflow, ventilation, AC, on and off, things like that. Underneath that, you have your aux and charging ports, as well as some storage. And behind that, you of course have your gear shift and parking brake. Really easy to use. You can press up and go down to apply the parking brake. In front of the cup holders is your traction control on and off. With the cup holders, you can actually pull out the center divider and adjust it to be on one side more or the other side, and even just not have it in there in general. But it's a handy divider for 2 drinks when you have it in the cup holders. Now for the center console, you have a 2-tiered storage, so you actually have the first layer that is small, you put gum or something like that, and underneath for a little bit more storage. For the interior of this Corolla, it's a funky gray, light gray, dark gray, as well as a brown suede kind of color. Super comfortable to sit and drive in. Now we can go ahead and go closer to the door. You have your instrumental panel lighting as well as your mirror adjustments. Now for on the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your lane keep as well as pre-collision alerts. You can adjust your display as well as hands-free calling and voice commands. So you can actually go through the sensors and settings on your screen. On the left-hand side is your volume and stereo controls, so you can control your stereo right from your steering wheel. For your door panel, you of course have your window controls, door locks, and child lock. Now we can go ahead and take a look, and you have plenty of room up front, so let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Back here, you have lots of legroom, as well as on the door panel, you have some storage, your window controls, and a cup holder. As well as you have easy access to a middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. Easy to store back up for more guests, and you have more storage in the back of the center console. Plenty of room for you if you would ever have 3 passengers back here. Now let's go ahead and check out the trunk. The trunk doesn't have an automatic open, but you do have a lever on the floor, as well as a button on the key fob to release the trunk. So you can go ahead and have access to the trunk, plenty of cargo space for it being a pretty small sedan, as well as underneath the divider, you do have a spare tire and some tools. So you can stay safe if anything would to happen. And then we can go ahead and shut the trunk. But with that is all I have for this 2019 Toyota Corolla LE in silver. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. We'd love to talk about it. Take it for a test drive, see if you like it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more.